Difficult to define, a strategy is a policy that sets forth a plan to achieve an overall vision and the criteria for its success. It establishes a line of sight mission and direction in the form of strategic goals and tactical objectives that serve as guardrails for the roadmap and value map of independent decisions and action. Software and supply chain risk management assurance is the application of risk management principles and practices to reduce uncertainty in the assurance of software-intensive supply chains through the use of software-based smart and trusted tactics designed to deliver consequential outcomes in assuring supply chain trustworthiness, security, resilience, product integrity, coordination, control, and flexibility. The vision for the Software and Supply Chain Risk Management Assurance Framework is to advance the assurance of smart and trusted assurance policies and practices for both government and industry. The Supply Chain Risk Management Assurance Framework focuses on the infrastructure of management, engineering, process, technology, and skills needed to acquire, field, and operate trusted, competitive, and austere software-based supply chains with intelligence and confidence. Setting goals is the first step in managing risk. Goals are attributes to be assured. Goals associated with smart and trusted software and supply chain risk management assurance include maintaining infrastructure, being trusted, being competitive, and being austere. Objectives associated with goals are factors with consequential outcomes. For example, performance, mission, resilience, innovation, flexibility, efficiency, control, leadership, coordination, and risk. It is important to understand that the Supply Chain Risk Management Assurance Framework, by necessity, operates under 3 levels of indirection as its guardrails. First, it is a framework, a basic underlying structure. Second, it promises assurance, a positive declaration intended to inspire confidence. Third, it manages risk through the identification, mitigation, transfer, or acceptance of factors, sources of risk, and problems that may impede the achievement of supply chain goals and objectives. The purpose of the Supply Chain Risk Management Assurance Framework is to encourage, stimulate, and incentivize supply chain owners and operators to positively and proactively assure the identification, mitigation, transfer, or acceptance of the sources of risk, problems, and factors that may impede the achievement of supply chain goals and objectives. The line of sight for a target organization adopting the Supply Chain Risk Management Assurance Framework rollout is guided by a 5-level maturity value map, including Level 1, lack of commitment, Level 2, management commitment for both vision and goals, Level 3, engineered flow control, strategic objectives with consequential outcomes, factors that serve as sources of risk or problems. Level 4, process risk calculation, evidence-based assertion argument-driven assurance assessment of sources of risk and problems. Level 5, global challenges, strategies, standards-based certification versus tightly controlled indigenous innovation. The criteria for success of the Supply Chain Risk Management Assurance Framework lies in the rate of adoption by supply chain owners and operators, followed by their progressive advancement in supply chain risk management assurance maturity. Here is my contact information. I would be happy to receive questions and have discussions with people on this important subject.